living proof, sent some samples for you guys, so there's samples in all your bags. So y'all have fun, enjoy it. That's all I got.
So we're here today working with the Clemson co-ed cheer team, creating a cohesive makeup and hair look for their game days.
This is Katie.
I am Katie Victoria, and we are here today at Browning Studio talking about tips and tricks to make your daily life quicker with your routine.
So Ashleigh is our model, and she is a little bit more fine hair.
Okay, right here.
Goes a long way. It's just kind of like lacquer. Would I tell everybody to do that in your everyday life? No. But we're trying to give you some things that are going to be like, oh my gosh, it's not going anywhere. Yeah. And you don't want to be too hairsprayed when you get done.
You don't want to overload it, just in general. Okay. Is that a good look?
I think so.
Great look.
I could pull it really tight and then come in and give it a little lift. And everybody's hair is different, where a little hairspray when it's wet is definitely my favorite thing to tell my girls that are in action.
A little bit more texture within those curls and a little bit more volume for that bigger, loose, kind of messy look.
Alright, so I think one of the coolest things that we learned today was to do hairspray while your hair is wet. That way it can have good texture and we'll be able to hold our hair all day for a game, and we have appearances before the game because we're always out there 8 hours before kickoff and then a 4-hour football game, so it's really important to keep our hair texturized and able to stand up and do all that fun stuff. So I think that was probably the best thing that we learned today.
The hairspray and the damp hair, I think that's going to be a game changer. I'm excited to try it.
Yes, I'm excited for you to try it too.
They're definitely excellent learners. Everybody's enjoying just picking up new things that we wouldn't maybe normally think about in your routine. So as a professional, we're just breaking it down for our girls to be able to have quick, great hair and awesome makeup.
All the way in, open for me, and take it all the way in here. This would cover that all, which is a nice little thing.
I mean, I'm not being pampered for no reason.
The ladies are doing great. I think a lot of them have experience in being on the stage and being out in the heat, so they're familiar with their products, which makes the learning process way easier.
One thing I've learned today is to put blush on the top of your cheekbone instead of just on the apples of your cheeks.
We've been doing makeup all wrong.
Everything is wrong.
Everything.
That's what we learned.
One, two,